So we just got the kids camera and we're at the pool, and so this camera can shoot underwater. So in the box you have the camera itself, you do have the case, so the camera is inside here, you have the case. So this is the camera. You can actually remove the camera from the case. You have also the manual, the user manual right here, and then you have all these accessories and gadgets and stuff. This looks almost like a bike mount, so you can put it on a bike while you're biking. You can be recording, and also you have the USB cord and a lanyard so that you can also wear it if you're in the pool. You can put it on your neck like that. So you have all these gadgets that comes with it, which is awesome. So once it has been fully charged, we will press the on button, so the power button. So hold it down and you can see it comes on like that, and you can set your language, select your language and stuff, and there are different things you can do. So you have the camera, the video recording, and also playback. So we're going to use the camera option today. I want to take a picture. We're going to take a picture. So let's record some stuff. So here, then over there. So we take a picture. Click this is to take a picture. You have to go under the water. Take a picture. Snap it. Good job. Awesome. We're able to take a picture and record. So you guys see what we recorded some stuff. We're able to record some stuff. So you can see that even for him, he can hold it really. Is it heavy? It's not heavy.
No, it's not heavy.
Love the compartment of it, and the color is beautiful. So he has a camera that you can use. The lens, you can charge this up. You can put a card in it and save memory. It's a very nice size camera for kids. You can actually change the color of what is being recorded. I absolutely love that. So different filters. It has different filters that you can use. So this is very cool. Awesome.